Don't let the size fool you. This little car is packing a lot of attitude. The Hot Wheels Autozam AZ-1 is a miniature version of one of Japan's most iconic and quirky K-cars, and it's every bit as cool as the real thing. Modeled after the legendary Mazda Autozam AZ-1 from the early 1990s, this diecast captures everything that made the original so unforgettable. The compact dimensions, the wild styling, and of course, the signature gull-wing doors. Yes, even in 1/64 scale, you can feel the exotic DNA. The real AZ-1 was all about blending performance with personality. It had a turbocharged engine in the middle, rear-wheel drive, and a look straight out of an anime. The Hot Wheels version doesn't need an engine to thrill. It brings the design to life with sharp lines, flared fenders, and pop-up headlight light detailing that pops right off the shelf. And in true Hot Wheels fashion, it rolls smooth and fast, ready to rip down orange track or take a spot of honor in your JDM collection. Whether it's in a premium series with metallic paint and rubber tires, or a mainline release in bold colors, the AZ-1 always stands out. It's tiny, but it's got that weight, what is that factor that makes people look twice. This isn't just another generic compact. It's a cult icon, a rare slice of 1990s Japanese automotive brilliance. Hot Wheels nailed the proportions, the sporty stance, and the playful energy that made the original Autozam so beloved by car nerds and collectors around the world. Whether you're a kid racing cars through a kitchen obstacle course, or a collector lining up your dream garage on a shelf, the Hot Wheels Autozam AZ-1 is pure JDM joy in miniature form. It's proof that even the smallest car can have the biggest personality.